Scarlett, and we do toy videos, and it is burping Bobby time.
We already opened it. So.
No, we didn't. Are you kidding me? Okay. We're gonna open this up, and right in the back of the box, it says, pick a token and checks the number. Feed the hippo, and turn the crank and hear him chew. Okay, now we're going to open him up. Wow, he's awesome. He's cute.
And then it comes with.
Even better, there's his snacks.
I'm gonna go get filled up.
And I'm gonna make it easy. It's called a quiz.
Come on, guys. Get the glass of water. I'm setting it up, I see.
It's onion. And here's pizza. Okay, let's turn him on. Okay, now let's play the game. Scarlett goes first because she's younger than me.
I'm gonna say pizza.
It is pizza. I'm gonna say
Wait, we forgot the burping.
soda. Soda for 3. Tie game.
I'm gonna say garlic.
It's onion. So you got to put it in his mouth and do the crank.
There's only one. This will be the danger.
I'm gonna say cheese. 3 garlics.
I'm gonna say pizza.
2 soda.
1. The tie game stuff.
I'm gonna say onion. Cheese.
I'll say soda. Cheese. I should have just picked what you picked. Wow. Here comes the little burpees and the flashlight. So we both won because we each got 3 points.
See, we win. Okay, guys, that was burping Bobby. Now we're gonna pack the snacks all up. And also oh, he's already off. Can you empty this into the sink?
I'll go pour it out. Bye-bye, everyone.